Hello people, how are you guys doing? Thank you so much for clicking to this channel. I don't take it for granted. For the old members, returning subscribers, welcome back. And for the new members, you're most welcome. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. Posh is my name, and YouTube is the game. So today, it's on a Sunday, and I was seated here, I was like, why don't I make a lemon cake? It's been a while. Yeah, let me make a lemon cake. You know, we all love that snack in the fridge. I know we do. It's only that we have a different kind of snacks. There are people who get like healthy snacks, and there are people who are like me. Yes, for the cake. And so I mixed my flour, my baking soda, my baking powder, my salt. I won't give you like the exact measurements. I won't give you the exact measurements because I'll tell you later. And I sieved my flour. Do you people sieve your flour when you're baking? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but don't take my advice. You should sieve your flour always. Always sieve your flour. Then to the weighing scale, got my unsalted butter, got my sugar, yes, and I measured everything like according to how it's supposed to be. And here I have a question. When you guys are baking, because I know some of you have been to your channels. When you're baking, do you write, or maybe when you're cooking, do you write your ingredients down beforehand, or you just do it? You just know the ingredients offhand? I don't know. For me, I do note down, but simply because this wasn't my first time of making lemon cake, and it's one of my best, I was like, I already know the ingredients offhand. I mean, now why do I have to note them down? So I took my things and I mixed. By this time, I was happy because I'm doing a voiceover now. I was happy, thinking of life, thinking of the things that I want to do, thinking of the things that I haven't done, thinking of the places that I would like to visit, thinking of the places that I haven't visited, the places that I would like to visit but I can't because I'm not financially strong. Yeah, I was at peace. My mind was at peace. I was happy. And I was helping my mixer. Me and my mixer, we were in a good relationship. I was helping it to mix. You know, you're supposed to scrape the bowl to get all like the flour, like the butter, because sometimes the butter will stick on the bowl, so you're supposed to help it. And we were in a good relationship. I was mixing everything happily. And Posh was happy because she will have a lemon cake. But she had it now. She had it. Yeah, I can testify to that she had it. Mixing. Well, as it's supposed to be. Came back, mixed again till the butter was fluffy. Till it was fluffy. And I was just admiring it, how fluffy it's getting. I was telling it, okay, continue doing your thing, mixer. I'll be back again to help you a little bit. And I left it, continued doing what I was doing. And the mixer was happy. Came back and I told my mixer, thank you. You've done a good job. You've done your part. Let me take over. Here I was flexing, showing how fluffy the butter is. I finished. Took my lemon out. Because for the lemon zest. And these lemons they are from the fridge, so they are a bit squishy. Getting lemon zest out of them, it's not easy. So I had to fast forward here to save your time. Yeah, but did I? Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, I did. getting lemon zest from lemons that are not really fresh, because from the fridge they'll get a little squishy. That was done. I took the other one. At the same time, I was minding about my nails. I don't want to scratch my nails. Yes, it's a baby girl. She don't want to scratch her nails. So she was doing it slowly. And the second lemon was done. And I was looking at my lemon zest. I was like, oh yeah. At least finally I'll have like the 3 tablespoons of lemon zest. And I continued. By this time I think I was done. I was tired actually, because the lemon zest was enough. Don't discard your lemons, you'll need fresh lemon juice. Squeeze the lemon juice. Is it your first time to be here on this channel? Please let me know. Comment section. Please, kindly, just say it's my first time, or maybe no, it's not my first time. And I will really appreciate that. I will appreciate that, because this is a recipe of a kind. It's on its own level. Wait till you see the end results. Be with me here. Be with me, please. Don't go. I'll keep you company. You keep me company as well. Yes, and I think that was the last piece of lemon to squeeze. I think so. Yes. Gosh, good job. Clean up. Exactly. Clean up your workstation. Always. And here I had my egg room temperature. I started with adding the lemon zest and the mix. Yeah, we are still in a good relationship, me and my mixer. I'm helping it to do its job. So I mix. Then I started adding 1 egg at a time. Now break the egg nicely. At least the eggshells won't get into your butter. Add 1 egg at a time. Gosh, something mixer to mix it. Yes, add the other one. I added slowly. Exactly. And mix. To add the 3rd egg, and there it goes. Clean up the workstation. I love me for that. Cleaning up the working station. Clean up as you go. Which is really one of those. And here the mixer had done its work. So it's time to get the butter out. Oh, we have lemon juice, yes. Supposed to be 2 tablespoons. I added like 2.5 because I like it a little bit tangy. Kind of, I like tasting lemon in my lemon cake. After mixing, take it out. Because with cakes, you're not supposed to mix your butter with the mixer. Yeah, that's one thing. It's good to use a spatula. Go out. Again, clean up the working station. Good job, Josh. Good job. And I started adding flour little by little. If you're a baker, by now, you can notice something is wrong with this something. Yes, I'm sure some of you are noticing like there's something there. You didn't do something. Yes, I didn't do something. And so I continued. And I love it when people tell me, oh, Posh, I like your cooking. I like how you cook. Oh, Posh, I like your baking. I like how you bake. Sometimes they do backfire. They do backfire. If I was like, this was the first time I've made such a cake. I was just laughing at myself, and I had to share this because it's really funny. It's one of the ingredients that you can't forget to add. But by this time when I was mixing, that ingredient was on the side, but it didn't click to me that I didn't add it. So Posh continued doing her thing. Yeah. Mixing, getting everything, especially the flour mixed well. I was looking at it and I was admiring it. Went, got my baking tray, laid my parchment paper. I do have a circle one, but I was like, this one I'll make it as a loaf. So I was making lemon drizzle loafing. So I did it off camera and I added my butter happily. But by this time, you can tell the butter cake, how it's supposed to be. I could tell there's something off in it, but I couldn't figure out what exactly it is. I was like, okay, let me wait for my cake to come out. Let me wait for my cake to be cooked, and then maybe after I taste, I can tell what was wrong. I added my cake nicely, my butter nicely. Exactly. Shake. Good job, Posh. Good job. You know how to do it. Exactly. Off to the oven for 35 minutes. Yes. And after 35 minutes, guys, this is what I got. Yes, my family people, this is what I got. My cake, it looked like the ingredient that I forgot to add, it was milk. And that's how it is. Thank you so much for being with me till this far. I know it's funny. Actually, I was laughing at myself because I've never done this. I do have some other baking recipes. I guarantee you they are not like this. Please go watch. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. And thank you so much for being with me as I laugh at myself. Yeah, it's really funny. Thank you so much. Until next one.